Hi friends, today is 12th March and we are at 8 p.m. And this video is regarding all the indices at a glance. And I've already made this video on all the indices, uh, I think on 4th of March. Okay, so maybe we can see that in YouTube. Maybe I'll go to my YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, I made a video on 8th January and I covered all the indices at a glance. Okay, so you can go and watch this video. This is actually this video for crucial date for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty 18, Nifty Metals, and Dow Jones. Please watch what I talked about Dow Jones on that day. And you know, this is cryptocurrency important dates. This also I put on 9th January. And the last week I put a video on all indices at a glance. Okay, that video also is available, so you can go and watch. And from there, let's see what all happened in all our indices. But now I want to discuss more on Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq, because it is at a very crucial stage. Uh, and 21st is a very important day for US markets also. And we have 3 days combination, which is 20th, 21st, and 22nd. And there is one more date which is coming for us is tomorrow, which is Monday. Actually, the date is today. The date is tomorrow, 13th, but 13th is holiday, so we need to take 14th as the crucial date. And let's go and see the other indices at a glance. I'm not going to do very detail about this, but let's see where it is holding now and what may happen from here. Okay, so let's go to first Dow Jones. Okay, so now if you see, okay, so it is exactly last time it came down and it is not able to go above the cloud, came down, touched the red color line of fortune signals, and from there it went up. Again, it is approaching that level. So the blue color line and the red color line. And if you take the red color line, I've already made this, when I made this video, I said 32238 is the very important level for Dow Jones. And on 22nd February, it came exactly and touched this number 32238. And from there it went up. And this is already there in the video, which I put on 9th January. You can go and watch. And coming to Dow Jones is a little bit okay. But if you take S&P, and S&P, it has broken my red color line, which is really not good. And now this has to hold this last week low. The last week low was 4157.87. So it has to hold this level for the coming week. Otherwise, we will be seeing problem in S&P. Okay, and the important date for S&P is 29th April, and you can watch this guy on 21st also, because 21st is very crucial, and it was the low of 24th May, which it had a major trend change rate, and from there it started a bigger move. Okay, so it is approaching that high and low of that date. Okay, last time also it came down, took the support from there, and let's see whether it is going to hold here. But if you see on a weekly trend, it has broken my weekly number, which is 2223, and it is close to below. So coming week, it should hold last week low, which is very crucial. And these two guys are looking at least okay, but this guy is really in problem. Okay, so now it has already broken my, last time when I covered my video on Nasdaq, I said it is already broken my red color line, which was the major support, which was 14,224 level. And once it broke and it came inside the cloud, last time it took the support exactly at the cloud, and then it went up. But last week, 3 weeks before, but last week on a closing, it was exactly coming, came down and touched this red color, the last support of Ishimoku, and little bit it closed above. So now if it breaks this low of last week, we are heading for 12825 or 12318. Okay, watch out for this guy. This guy is in real danger. Okay, so we need to watch out. And I don't want to go deep into Ishimoku. Then it takes a lot of time, because people are saying that don't put a video about 12 minutes and all. Okay, so if you want to have a bigger discussion, you can come to me on a one-to-one call. Maybe we can have a discussion. Maybe lagging span may take a support around here on the upper side of the cloud, or it may head towards lower. But now it is in very crucial stage, very crucial stage. So you need to watch out Nasdaq for a coming week. And coming to ETH USD, exactly it is sitting at my blue and red. Okay, and you all know 23rd it made a magic. And if you take this is the beauty again, if you take 23rd high and low, and today is the very important day. When I covered crypto important dates in my in my video last time, I've clearly mentioned 12th March will be the next important day after 23rd Jan. From 23rd Jan, it went up by 45% on the upper side, came down. Again, last time it came on 24th February, took the support exactly on the low of 23rd January, went up, and today on a very important day, it is trading near the high of 23rd Jan. Till it holds 23rd Jan low, there is no problem. Otherwise, the problem starts even for ETH USD. And coming to BTC, again, 12th March is an important date for BTC also, and it is more or less okay when compared to on a weekly front, more or less okay, because it is at the support on my blue color, and it is heading again higher. Break below this 33,764, I think we'll be in problem in BTC also. And Facebook, this I already covered. The important day to watch out for this guy is 29th March. I've already covered this guy, so you can go and watch. 29th March is a very crucial day for this guy. Break below the low of 29th March, God has to come and save this guy. Okay, so now let's go to DAX on a weekly front. I don't want to go very detailed, all one point. So gone for a toss. It has given a sell on a weekly, and it is trying to close above. It should not close below the sell initiation candle. Okay, the sell initiation candle was the low was 13094. So it is trying, it should not close below on a weekly front below the sell initiation candle. Okay, coming to DAX, it is again heading towards the Ichimoku low, and it has already broken my red color line. Okay, US oil I've already covered in a separate video, and my target was 132. It went to 130. And the important date to watch out for US oil is 14th March. Okay, I've already covered a separate video on US oil. You can go and watch that video. And all breaking the low of weekly low. So be very careful on the market. This has to hold this week, otherwise we will be in a bigger problem. Okay, so now Nifty, somehow it went below my red color line, and it is managing and closing above, because the thumbs up happened on 7th March, which was our second trend change date for this month. The first trend change date is happened on 2nd March, and the second trend change date was 7th March, and the third trend change date is coming on 14th, which is on Monday, and the fourth combination date is happening on 20th, 21st, and 22nd. Watch out. And I think US market is not working on 21st, so 22nd is going to be a gala time for all the indices across the world. Let's watch. Okay, so now I don't want to go very deep into Nifty and Bank Nifty, because anyway I'll be covering in my weekly front. And on Bank Nifty, yeah, it is holding the red color line, so it's good. And coming to auto, exactly took the support on Ichimoku low, and that too it happened on 7th only, and it is heading higher. But now it has to break above the cloud and close above for a little bit of conviction. But the problem is, lagging span is inside a lot of endurance, so it takes very difficult to move from here. But I don't want to go very deep into it. I just want to compare with my indicator with the Ichimoku. I don't want to go deep into pitchfork angle and all that. Just I want to cover all the indices. So now auto, yeah, if it holds last week low, which was the Ichimoku cloud low also, maybe it can sustain. And this guy was a rocker. No need to talk about this guy. And it has to go places from here. I've already discussed about metal index, that whether it's going to give double digit in the till before June 2022. And this I covered in the month of January itself, that February month belongs to metal index. There is a separate video on metal index. Kindly go and see that video. And last week I mentioned the target also. The first target is achieved. Let's see, there are many targets to go. So now coming to media, yeah, this guy is looking good. Exactly took the support from my blue and went up. Okay, so coming to FMCG, I said I don't want to because it is given a sell, but it is not closing below this low. You can go and check my video last week. When I put the video, I clearly mentioned it has to close below this low. Okay, for the next week, but somehow everything came back very strongly, including ITC, Hindustan Lever, and all that. And then no, it was rocking, but still it is not out of the woods. I will definitely cover once it gives a buy signal. Yeah, it has actually touched the flat formation of baseline. So let's watch. Maybe let it go to 36,516. Maybe we'll try to take a view on this guy. Okay, till that time I'm not okay with it. Let it go even 3-4% higher from here. Coming to pharma, 7th was a very, very important day for pharma, and it is turning back. And already our counter, which was Cipla, was rocking, and Sun Pharma was doing extremely well. Exactly took the support at our blue and red, and from there, last week it gave 6% rally. Credit goes to Cipla, Sun Pharma, and others are lagging. Maybe my next watch will be Dr. Reddy and Biocon, because it is at the extreme low, and most of the pharma companies are having the important dates tomorrow. So I will try to cover pharma later. And coming to infra, exactly took the bottom as well as the Ichimoku top. Okay, Tenkan, and from there it is started moving up. So all our indices took the support exactly what we discussed last week from our fortune signals, blue and red color, and it is moving above. IT, yeah, I've already told you this guy is looking good, and it started moving, but it has to cross 35,946, and it has to close above, because this is Ichimoku conversion line and baseline was sitting there, so it has to go and close above, and there will be some endurance here. Let's watch how it is going to do in the coming week and day. Yeah, once it closes above 36,355 on a convincing basis, I think we can take a call on 80. Okay, so now coming to Cnx Pse, this guy is looking extremely good, so I think no need to worry about this guy. Took exactly support at the blue, and from there it is marching forward. And consumer, again, it is not close to below the yesterday's sell candle low. It is again marching forward. So all our indices are doing well, but we need to watch and see what is going to happen after 21st March or 22nd March. So it is very, very crucial. Yeah, commodity is looking good, and service exactly at the bottom took the exact support of the red. See, I don't want to do a lot of research and saying that where is the bottom, where is the trend line. I don't need to do all that. I just need to open my indicator. My indicator will give me where it has, it is taking the support and all that. PSU, I think nothing to worry as of now. And energy rocking. Okay, so no need to worry about it. And coming to gold. So now it went up. Now it will face resistance here, because my red and blue on the weekly side, it's on the top. So it will face resistance here. Once it close about 2038 convincingly, then bigger move is going to happen in gold. As of now, on daily, it is looking extremely bullish. On weekly, it is stuck at my design. So let's watch, but it has to close above 2029. but it is looking extremely bullish. Okay, coming to silver, exact support took on my system on the red color, and from there, from 21.89, now it is 25.89, and now it has to close above the Ichimoku cloud. Exactly yesterday it went up, last week closed below the Ichimoku cloud low, right? I don't want to go very detail about this red color and all. It takes time. Okay, so now I think mostly I covered all the indices. That's how I will try to cover Nifty and Bank Nifty, because it is at a very, very crucial stage. My fingers crossed. Let's see what's going to happen on 14th of March. So mostly I covered all the indices. All our indices are taken support on March, important day, and it was holding last week low. It was very, very good. But coming to Dow Jones, S&P, and especially Nasdaq, it is at a very, very crucial stage. So people have to be very, very careful. It has to hold last week low. People have to pray for that. Otherwise, we'll be seeing a lot of pain in US stocks. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I'm going to cover all this in detail about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the very important stocks to watch for next week. If you want to join, you join my Telegram channel. I'll be posting the link there. Tomorrow it is happening at 6 p.m. So thanks a lot for watching this video. In case of any doubt, you can ask me in my YouTube channel. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors. This is only for educational purpose. So kindly do your homework, consult your financial advisors before taking any decision in any stock, mutual funds and all that. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe it. See you tomorrow for weekly outlook for our market. Bye.